Everyone, Gil here with GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about cash and coins. But beforehand, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's a good opportunity. Just click that red subscribe button down there and then ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I put out one of these new videos. All right, cash and coins. Am I talking about stockpiling cash and coins for after the apocalypse? No, I'm talking about cash and coins for everyday emergencies, not everyday use, everyday emergencies. Running out of gas by accident, getting in a car accident. Something goes on and you're stuck at work and you got to shelter in place and you can't leave for 4 or 5 hours. All right. I'm talking about extra cash and coins that you don't use normally. You got them stashed away for that emergency event to help get you home. You don't keep it in your wallet. You don't keep it in your pocket. You find a different place to hide it. If you have a vehicle, you can hide it, under the seat, in a little envelope or a little bag under the seat, in the glove box, in the trunk. If you're at work, if you have lockers at work, you can keep that in your locker. If you have a bug out bag or get home bag, you keep it in that. There's a lot of different ways you can keep it around where it's not in the money you normally get to when you go down to buy the Starbucks and buy something, or go down to the cafeteria to buy something. All right, this is money that you don't touch normally. If you're like my wife, who sews really well, or like I used to do when I was a kid, so I had a Levi jacket. I sold internal pockets on it, and I would stash stuff on it. So if you're worried about going to a neighborhood that's kind of rough and dangerous, and you don't want to have it in there, well, some people say, "Oh, just stuff it in your sock." Well, sometimes they check socks, but if you have inside your pants another pocket, little soft pocket like in the back, you just have it stashed in there, and that way you can get it without much trouble. But if someone's going to try to mug you or whatever, they're not going to find it, so you'll have some money to still get home. So think about ways that you can have some money around for emergencies, but it's not money you normally tap into. All right. And on this money, you don't want to have, I got $100 bill, so that's what I can have. No. You want to have a bunch of smaller denominations, such as ones, fives, and maybe a couple tens. If you're having to walk home because you can't drive home for whatever reason it is, and you just stop at a convenience store along the way to get some bottle of water, you don't want to pull out the $100 bills. You got change for 100? Nope. You want water? Whatever you got, that's what we're going to take. We're not going to make change. And during some events, people are like that. They get all good. Hey, I can really stick it to everybody coming through for water. So you want to make sure you have coinage and low denominations so you can get what you need to get home. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps and supplies: water, food, medicines, clothing, skills, anything you need to keep your life comfortable after a major event. Why?